Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to put zoom effect in video using Tella. We have the link to Tella in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. So we're currently on Tella.tv and this is our dashboard. We have some videos right here and we decided to use one of the videos that comes with Tella. Of course, in your case you can use your video, but in this case we're going to be choosing this video. So I'm going to go to the top right area where you have edit, click on it. And so when you have your video, you're going to go over to the right side panel and you have some options right here. You're going to click on zoom or press Z on your keyboard. We're ready here, so we're going to click on zoom and you can see the timeline has now been shown and we can bring the playhead right here. So if we play it,
three different ways you can record.
You can see that it's already adding a zoom. Now we could extend this. As you can see, it's highlighted already. We're going to play just behind it. Click and play.
Now in Tella, there are three different ways you can record.
And you can see how much it zoomed in because we actually selected the zoom by clicking on a place in the playhead. The zoom had been added. Now here's something else we need to take note of. If you go over to a zoom area which you had, you can click on it and it's currently at 350% scale. We're going to reduce it to about 250 and then we're going to play.
Three different ways you can record.
If we go back, click on the zoom and move it over to say 150 and play it.
Three different ways you can record.
That will adjust the amount of zoom you want. Of course, you have the option to add more zoom or delete zoom. So if we click on this area right here and delete zoom, that zoom will be gone. We can click on this again, delete it, click on this, delete it. If you click on add zoom, it simply adds another zoom. So this is how to put the zooming effect in video using Tella. Don't forget to check out the link to Tella in the description below so you can get a head start right after this video. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.